measures of location and spread for grouped data. So we now look at frequency tables where we have grouped data and the data values are unknown. When working with quartiles and percentiles with grouped data, do not make any adjustments to the values that you get from these formulae. For group data, quartiles and percentiles can be estimated using either cumulative frequency graphs or using the interpolation formula. From here on, I'm going to use the interpolation formula. I'm not doing this. This is the interpolation formula. A data value is equal to the lower class boundary plus, and this is a proportion, frequency into the class divided by frequency of the class times the class width. You need to memorize this formula. Example 1. The frequency table shows data which has been rounded to the nearest kilogram. You can see there are gaps between the class intervals. So this one ends on 14, this starts at 15. And that's due to the rounding of the data. We want to estimate Q2, the median, or the 50th percentile. So we start with working out the cumulative frequencies. Now we need to work out the location of the median. So we use the formula 0.5 n. So there are 60 values in total. That's the sum of the frequencies. That's n. So 0.5 times n gives us 30. We want the 30th data value. Which class does the 30th data value fall in? So we're up to the 18th value here. We want the 30th value, still haven't reached it. Now we're up to the 38th value, so we've gone past the 30th value, which means it falls into this class. To get to the 30th value, if we look at this class, to the left of this line there are 18 data values. We need 12 more to get to the 30th value. We are going 12 values in to get to our 30th data value. This is also called the frequency into the class, which is 12. Next, we work out class boundaries. So that's 9, that's 10, so in the middle we've got 9.5, and likewise here we have 14.5. Lower class boundary, upper class boundary. So the class width is 5. We are now at a stage where we can use the interpolation formula. And the lower boundary is 9.5, so that value will go here. The frequency of the class is 20, so that goes here. Class width is 5, so that value goes there. And the frequency into the class, we've already said, was 12, and that value will go here. So we get 12.5 kilograms for Q2, or the 50th percentile. So that's a data value, and data is in this row. 12.5 kilograms is somewhere in this interval. The interpolation formula assumes that your data is evenly distributed in each class.